Most cars don't die on the highway. They die slowly, every time you turn the key. The average vehicle in the US is scrapped at just 156,000 miles, but some last 2, 3, even 4 times that. My own car passed 700,000 miles without a major rebuild, and it wasn't luck, it was habits. Habits most drivers ignore, yet they quietly decide whether your engine fails at 150,000 or keeps running like new at 500,000. In this video, we'll break down 11 surprising habits that almost nobody talks about, but they can add decades of life to your car. Stick around, because habit number 3 is something 70% of drivers skip, and it alone can double your engine's lifespan. Number 1. Take occasional highway tune-ups to burn carbon. Modern direct injection engines can accumulate carbon on intake valves over time. An effective, low-effort habit is to take the car on a longer highway or high-load drive every few weeks. This is the so-called Italian tune-up, running the engine at sustained higher RPMs and load to heat it up and burn off deposits. Research and mechanics confirm it works. A high-speed run can raise cylinder and exhaust temps enough to break up carbon buildup. Indeed, one experienced mechanic suggests a monthly highway run of about 1+ hour. So the engine computer calibrates fuel injection and the engine clears out carbonization. So make it a habit. Once a month or so, hit the freeway at legal speed for 20+ minutes. This simple action rejuvenates engine efficiency and longevity by clearing gunk that short local trips leave behind. Number 2. Avoid overloading or excessive towing. Every extra pound your car carries makes the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension work harder than they were designed to. Overloading doesn't just sap performance, it accelerates wear across the board. When you tow trailers beyond the rating or haul unnecessary cargo, the engine has to run at higher RPMs under constant stress, generating more heat and straining critical components. Even roof racks and boxes you're not using add drag and weight that silently shorten your car's life. The solution is simple. Respect your vehicle's rated payload and towing limits. Remove junk, tools, or unused gear from the trunk and cabin whenever possible. A lighter car runs cooler, handles better, and puts far less stress on its engine and drivetrain. And if you do tow heavy loads, follow up with strict maintenance fluid checks, brake inspections, and cooling system care. Remember, a leaner car is a longer-lasting car. Number 3. Heed warnings and inspect regularly. Always pay attention to what your car is telling you. If the check engine light comes on, don't delay diagnostics. These lamps are an early warning system. A minor misfire or sensor error ignored can evolve into major damage. Likewise, strange noises, vibrations, or drops in performance are red flags. Make it a habit to listen for knocks, clanks, or whining under the hood. As one service guide notes, reduced fuel economy, odd noises, or vibration signal first warnings of underlying issues. Catching these early prevents small faults from turning into catastrophic failures. In practice, park your car in a quiet spot occasionally and listen to it idle, or inspect under the hood for leaks. And when you do wash the car, you'll spot oil drips or cracks before they become problems. By staying alert and proactive, you can fix tiny problems today and dramatically extend your engine's life tomorrow. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. It takes a second, but it helps us bring you more content that saves you money and keeps your drive running longer. Number 4. Use top-tier fuel and clean your fuel system. Not all gasoline is equal. Always buy fuel from reputable stations that turn over fresh stock. Stick to the octane rating your engine needs. Higher octane than required usually yields no benefit. If you drive infrequently, gasoline can go stale. In that case, add a quality fuel stabilizer before storing or occasionally run the tank low only for storage purposes. Further, keep your fuel system clean. Periodically treat it with a high-quality injector cleaner or even have a professional fuel system cleaning done. As one dealership service guide notes, a clean fuel system reduces the strain on engine components such as fuel pumps and injectors, extending their lifespan. In practice, use fuels with strong detergent additives brands like Shell, Chevron, or Mobil. Top off the tank sometimes to prevent condensation. and every 30,000 to 50,000 miles consider an injector clean. These steps ensure smooth combustion and protect parts, which literally prolongs engine life. Number 5. Avoid frequent short trips. Cars run best when their engine oil and coolant reach normal operating temperature. If you only do 5-minute runs around town, the oil never fully circulates and can sludge up. Studies and experts warn that repeated short cold trips greatly increase engine wear. Every time you start cold and shut off quickly, unburned fuel and condensation build up in the oil. Over time, this creates sludge that blocks oil passages. Habitually, try to combine errands so the engine runs at least 15 to 20 minutes each outing. If you can't avoid a short trip, compensate by doing a longer drive every week or so. Mechanics even recommend periodic real excursions. For example, one expert suggests taking your car on a highway run for an hour monthly to fully heat and flush out deposits. Minimize tiny cold starts, drive long enough to warm up, and do a solid long drive occasionally. Your oil will stay cleaner, and your engine parts will last much longer. Number 6. Use high-quality oil and follow severe service intervals. Never skimp on oil or oil changes. Always use the grade of oil recommended by your manufacturer because synthetics resist breakdown far longer than conventional oil. Synthetic oil degrades more slowly, protecting bearings and pistons for many thousands of miles longer. Also pay attention to your driving. If you do a lot of short, cold trips or hard starts, your car falls under the severe service category. That usually means having the oil change interval. Mechanics note that under severe conditions you may need to change oil and filter twice as often as normal. In practice, follow your manual's schedule, but if you mainly do short hops or haul heavy loads, err on the side of more frequent changes. Always use top-tier synthetic oil and don't stretch your change interval. Stick to the service schedule or shorter when the going is tough. Number 7. Keep all fluids fresh. A healthy cooling system is one of the most important defenses against engine failure. Overheating remains a top reason engines die early, and most cases are preventable. Always check coolant levels regularly and maintain the proper water-to-antifreeze ratio. This not only prevents freezing in winter, but also protects against corrosion inside the radiator and engine block. Over time, coolant loses its ability to carry heat and resist rust, so follow your manufacturer's schedule for flushing and replacing it. Don't overlook the basics. Inspect radiator hoses, clamps, and connections for cracks, bulges, or leaks. A sudden coolant loss can destroy an engine in just minutes. Beyond coolant, every major system depends on clean fluids. Brake fluid, transmission fluid, and even power steering fluid can degrade and cause overheating or component wear if ignored. Treat every fluid change as critical maintenance. Fresh coolant and fluids keep temperatures stable, components protected, and your engine alive for the long haul. Number 8. Replace air and fuel. Filters regularly. Think of your air and fuel filters as your engine's lungs and bloodstream. When they're clogged, everything struggles. A dirty air filter starves the engine of oxygen, forcing it to run rich with excess fuel. That extra fuel doesn't fully burn, leaving behind carbon deposits that increase internal wear and cut fuel economy. On the fuel side, a neglected filter allows rust, dirt, and tank debris to reach injectors or the pump. That grit acts like sandpaper inside precision parts, which can lead to costly failures. The fix is simple but often ignored. Replace the air filter roughly every 12 to 15,000 miles and the fuel filter around 30 to 60,000 miles, depending on your car's design. Always check your owner's manual for exact intervals. A smart routine is to inspect both filters whenever you change your oil. Fresh filters let your engine breathe cleaner, burn fuel more efficiently, run cooler, and last much longer. Number 9. Inspect belts, hoses, and spark plugs. Your engine relies on a few unsung heroes: belts, hoses, and spark plugs. Ignore them, and you're setting yourself up for breakdowns or worse. Timing belts, for instance, usually need replacing around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If one snaps, the pistons and valves can collide, often destroying the engine instantly. Even serpentine belts, which power essentials like your alternator and water pump, dry out, crack, and eventually snap with age. Radiator hoses are just as critical as a burst hose can dump coolant in seconds, leaving your engine overheating before you even notice. Spark plugs wear gradually, but worn plugs lead to misfires, rough idle, higher fuel consumption, and unnecessary strain on the engine. Follow your manual's replacement intervals and make a habit of inspecting belts, hoses, and plugs at every oil change. Prevention here is cheap, but skipping it can mean catastrophic damage or being stranded roadside with a dead engine. Number 10. Warm up gently. Forget the old advice about long idling. Modern engines are built differently. In fact, extended idling does more harm than good because the engine runs rich, builds carbon deposits, and takes longer to reach proper temperature. The smarter move is simple. Start the car, wait a few seconds for oil pressure to stabilize, then drive off gently. Light load driving warms the engine and fluids far faster than sitting in the driveway wasting fuel. In very cold weather, give it 20 to 30 seconds before rolling, but avoid revving a cold engine just to wake it up. On the flip side, if you've been towing, racing, or pushing the car hard, don't shut it off instantly. Let the engine idle briefly so turbos and coolant can shed excess heat safely. In practice, drive smoothly after startup, avoid unnecessary idling, and cool down gently after hard runs. These habits drastically cut hidden wear and extend engine life. Number 11. Drive smoothly and anticipate stops. Your driving style directly affects engine and drivetrain life. Aggressive acceleration, frequent redlining, and hard braking all stress components. By contrast, smooth throttle application and gradual stops reduce strain on the engine, transmission, and brakes. Habitually anticipate traffic, accelerate gently, and coast or brake smoothly rather than inching up on the brake pedal at the last second. Keep RPMs modest and let the transmission do the work rather than lugging it at low RPM in a high gear. Not only does this save fuel, it also prevents wear on engine bearings, gearbox synchronous, and even suspension parts. In practice, pretend you're carrying a cup of coffee, any sudden jolt could spill. As one guide puts it, accelerate gently and anticipate stops. This driving habit can easily add tens of thousands of miles to engine and component life. These are all habits that took my car to 700,000 miles, so these are my own observations, not guaranteeing the results of these.